video, I'm going to show you how to check your voter's card status. If you are registered to vote and maybe you don't know where your voter's card is, you've not collected it, or you lost it and you want to get it back, it's important that you check what the status, and so that you can be able to print out something and take to your Inec office. So this is exactly what I'm going to do in this tutorial. Before I continue, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification button. Please kindly do this because this is very important, as a source of encouragement, so that I will continue to make valuable videos and tutorials like this. Now, if you have done so, let's get down to today's business. I'm going to be using two different websites for this verification. The very first website is here, voter'S.inecnigeria.org. It's up here. When you enter this website, this is what you see. There's a form here. You fill in the information here. The first information here is state of residence. Simply means where you registered, where you were when you applied for this registration. So I'm going to use Lagos, and then I'll put my surname, and then you enter the VIN. The VIN is the number as shown in this example here. You simply enter your VIN number. The instruction here says the last 7 digits. So when you take your temporary voter's card, you count from the right to the left. You count 7 numbers and you enter the 7 numbers here. Or simply, if you do not have access to this temporary slip, you can use your date of birth. That's why it's written here. Or that is, if you don't have this this VIN number, the last 7 digits, you can use your date of birth. So let's see. Exactly, this is it. I've entered my information and it brought out my information. This is where I registered. This is my name, my date of birth, everything is here. It's as simple as that. Now, there are times I use this website and it doesn't work. There's another website. Simply come here. The second website is Voter'S.inecnigeria.org. This is the second website. If you try the first website and it doesn't work, you try the second one. At times one may work, the other one may not work. At times the two will work. Some other times it might not work, depending on the information that you entered. And what I've noticed on these websites is that there are times that your information is correct, but it might not work, maybe due to, I don't know, network or whatever. So at times you try it, it doesn't work, you just hold your peace, go and come back later. You try later, it might work. So in this one, I still repeat the same information here. Lagos. I'll put my surname. In the other one, remember, I didn't put my first name, but this one is requesting for my first name, so I'll put my first name. Then I'll put my date of birth. I'll complete the captcha. Now it says copy this code and paste in the empty box below. That's it. This is the information. Now look at the way this thing is displaying the information. It's different from this one. Look at how this one displays it. This one is more comprehensive, but the two will serve. You can use the two websites. You print this and print this one and take it to your Inec office. Any Inec office will use this information to check your voter card status. Now let me go back. Either I click back or I simply click check another. This will take me back to the home page. Now notice something here. Either you use your date of birth or you use the VIN. See, it says check status using VIN. VIN is that number that is this number that is shown here. It's like a serial number. So if you are using your VIN, you enter your state where you registered, your last name, and then you simply enter the VIN. See, it's displayed here. I hope this tutorial is simple enough. Like I said earlier, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and keep looking out for new tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.